Imagine yourself in this 2006 Infiniti G35. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, the anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.